afternoon. Good morning, Mataji.
Good morning, Purvi.
Good morning,
Yes, good
Mataji.
morning. Yes, good morning. The board is
Good
visible.
morning, Mataji.
Yes, everybody, very good morning. Good morning. The blackboard is visible.
Good morning,
Satvik,
Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Satvik, board is visible to you?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, fine. Please, everybody, mute your mic. Everybody, please mute your mic. I hope all are joining to maths
Mataji,
class.
ನಂಗೇನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Mataji, ನಂಗೇನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Maybe your internet issue. It will take some time. It may be visible. Everybody, please cooperate. Everybody, you should mute your mic. Good morning, everybody. I will continue the class knowing our numbers. I hope the blackboard is visible to you. Already we have started the exercise 1.3. Okay, I hope you have the textbook. Those who are having textbook, please open it. Exercise 1.3. Actually, what we have studied in previous class. In knowing our numbers, last class we have studied about estimation. Estimation, or we can say approximation. Okay, estimation by rounding off nearest to 10 we have studied. Estimation by rounding off nearest to 200 we have studied. And also we have studied how to estimate, how to approximate the number nearest to 1000. That we have studied. Now, we have started exercise 1.3. We have studied one important thing, that is general rule. Okay, general rule, what does it states? Anybody? General rule, what does it states? Anybody can tell general rule? Anyone can please unmute your mic and tell the answer. General rule.
Round off each factor to greatest place, then multiply
yes.
the of
Yes,
factors.
Very good, very good. Right answer. General rule, it states that we have to round off to its greatest value. For example, don't write, okay? You no need to write it now. Just try to understand. Example, 491. If they have not mentioned nearest to 10 or 100 or 1000, we have to use the general rule. What does it state? We have to round off the given number to its greatest value. Greatest place. What is the meaning of greatest place? Unit place, tens place, and hundreds place. Here, hundreds place is the greatest place. So we have to round off it to nearest 100. Okay, we have to round off by taking nearest to 100. Depends upon the greatest place in the given number. Okay, you know how to determine, how to know it is which place is the greatest. How to count? Unit place or ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So here the greatest place is 100th place. Okay, I hope you have understood the greatest, the general rule. Next one. We have completed the first main, right? Estimate each of the following using general rule. We have solved. If you have any doubt in first main, I am going to solve once again. First main, have you understood? Estimate each of the following using general rule. I will teach you once again. First main, first one. Okay. First main, exercise 1.3, first main. Estimate each of the following using general rule. First one, 730 plus 998. Everybody please try to understand. No need to write it now. Okay. 730 plus 998. Estimate each of the following using general rule. So how to use the general rule here? Already I told you what is the meaning of general rule, right? 730. So we have to round off it to nearest to tens or hundreds. How we will come to know that? Here we can use general rule. Okay. Unit place, tens place, hundreds place. Here the greatest place is hundredth place. So we have to round off it to nearest hundreds. Everybody, please mute your mic. Everybody should mute your mic. Otherwise it disturbs whole class. Everybody please mute your mic. 7:30 here greatest place is 100th place. So we have to round off it to nearest 100. 7:30 nearest to 100. What is the nearest 100 value? 7:30 it is close to 700 or 800. It is very close to 700. So round off to 700. Similarly 998. Here the greatest place is unit place, tens place, 100th place. So the greatest place is 100th place. So according to general rule, we have to round off it to nearest to 100. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ nearest ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 10 ಗ 100 ಗ 1000 ಗ. According to general rule here the greatest place is 100th place. So nearest to 100 we have to take. So 998 nearest to 100. So we can round off it to 100 or 900. 998. If you look at the number, we will come to know that 998 it is very close to 1000, right? It is very close to 1000. Alva? 998 it lies between 900 and 1000. Yes or no? It lies between 900 and 1000. So it is very close to 1000, not than to 900. 900 ಗಿಂತ 1000 ಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. 998 ಹೇಳೋ ನಂಬರ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು 100 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ we can round off to 1000. I hope you have understood. We can round off 998 to nearest to 1000. Nearest to 1000, not 100. It is 1000. So now, after rounding off each number, we have to add 700 plus 1000. That is equal to. So the estimated sum will be 700 plus 1000. What is the sum? Is it 1700? Yes, it is 1700. First main B, I am going to solve B. 796 minus 314. What I am doing, have you understood, children? I am using the general rule. I will write the round off number. Then I am going to simplify. Here it is given minus. So we have to subtract the estimated value. So 796 by using general rule. 796 we have to round off it to nearest to 10 or 100 or 1000. According to general rule, here the greatest place is unit place, tens place, 100th place. So we have to nearest it to round off it to nearest to 100. So 796 nearest to 100 is 800. Already we have studied how to round off the given number nearest to 100. 796 it lies between 700 and 800. And it is very close to 800 than to 700. ಇದು 796 800 ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. 700 ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 800 ಗೆ ಹತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 800 ಅಂತ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. Similarly, one more number is 314. 314 according to general rule, we have to take the nearest value nearest to 100, because according to general rule here the greatest place is unit place, tens place, 100th place. So nearest to 100 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 314 nearest to 100 is, I mean round off the number nearest to 100 is what? Anybody can tell? Anish, please unmute your mic. Anish. Anish, am I audible? Anish is not there.
310.
Nearest to 100 I am asking, not nearest to tens. Nearest to 100. 300.
300.
Very good. 300. Yes, 300. Please mute your mic, okay? Yes, it is 300. It is not 310. Here we have to round off to nearest to 100, not to 10. According to general rule, greatest place is 100. So, nearest to 100 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Nearest to 100 ಅಂದಾಗ 314, it lies between 300 and 400. And it is very close to 300 than to 400. So, rounding off, we can rounding off to 300. I hope you have understood. Now, estimated difference is, they have given minus symbol. We have to take the estimated difference. 800 minus 300 we have to do. 800 minus 300. What is the difference? 800 ರಲ್ಲಿ 300 ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 500 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 800 minus 300 is 500. So, estimated difference will be 500. I hope you have understood first main. I have solved A and B. Remaining C and D. Please, I hope you will solve it. You have to solve it in your homework part. I am going to solve second main. No need to write. Please try to understand. Try to understand the question, what they have given, what we have to solve, or what we have to find out. Second main, exercise 1.3 second main, give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. They have given first one, 439 plus 334 plus 4317. Have you understood the question? Give a rough estimate. We have to find the estimation by rounding off to nearest hundreds. First one, nearest to hundreds. And also closure estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. So there are two sub questions. First one is rounding off nearest to hundreds, then rounding off nearest to tens. Second main, A1, 439 plus 334 plus 4317. I hope all are able to read the numbers. 439 plus 334 plus 4317. First one, we have to round off the number nearest to hundreds. Rounding off nearest to hundreds. Rounding off nearest to hundreds is 439. Okay, 439 nearest to hundreds. Here they have particularly mentioned nearest to hundreds and nearest to tens. So here we no need to use the general rule. 439 nearest to hundreds, it is 400. Do you agree with this? 439, it lies between 400 and 500, and it is very close to 400 because it is below 450. So it is close to 400 than to 500. So we can round off to 400. Next number, 334. 334 near rounding off nearest to 100 is 300. Do you agree with this? Because 334, it is below 350. It is close to 300 than to 400. 300 ಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ 400 ಕಿಂತನೂ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 300 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4317. 17. Nearest to 100 is 4317. Here 317, it is very close to 300 than to 400. So we can write it as 4300. Okay, they have mentioned in the bracket nearest to 200s. So we are rounding off nearest to 200s. 4317. Here hundreds place is 3. 317. It is very close to 300 than to 400. So I have written 4300. Have you understood these three rounding off numbers? I hope you have understood. Now we have to add these three estimated numbers because they have given plus here, addition. So how to add these three numbers? So write according to the place value. 4000. How to write according to the place value? 4 it is in thousands place. 4300. Am I right? Yes. Now the addition. 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, it is 10. 10. So carry over 1. So you should not forget the carry over. 4 plus 1, it will become 5. Is it 5000? Yes. 400 plus 300, it is 700. 700 plus 300, 1000. 4000 plus 1000, 5000. Or you can follow the addition procedure. 5000, it is the estimated, rough estimation. Next, now the problem is over. No, you read the problem correctly. And also a closure estimate by rounding off to nearest to tens. Then we have to find nearest to tens. Okay. Same method, nearest to tens. I'm going to erase this. Next, what to do? We have to take the nearest number to tens. Rounding off nearest to tens. Okay. Tens is nearest to tens is 439. Nearest to tens. 439 nearest to tens is Nihal P. Please unmute your mic. Nihal P.
440 Mataji.
Yes, good. 440. 439, it is very close to 440. Here we are rounding off to nearest to tens. 39, it is close to 40 than to 30. So it is 440. Next, 334. Shrisha V. Hegde, please unmute your mic. Shrisha V. Hegde.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, 334 nearest to tens. Nearest to 10.
330.
Is it 330? Yes, very good. 330. Because 334, it is very close to 30 than to 40. So it is 330. Next, 4317 nearest to round off nearest to tens. Purvi Bhagavat. Purvi, please unmute your mic. Purvi?
Yes, Mataji.
4317. Round off to nearest to tens. What will be the estimated number?
4,320.
4320. Yes, exactly. Because here 317 nearest to 10 andaga last two digits nodri 17 ide. 17 it is very close to 20 than to 10. So it is 4320. Nearest to tens andaga ನೀವು unit place tens place ಎರಡು digit last ಎರಡು digit ಮಾತ್ರ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ 17 ಇದೆ ಇದು 20 ಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ 10 ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 4320. ಈ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ 4320. I hope you have understood. Everybody please mute your mic. Now we are going to do addition. Here in the given problem it is plus. So find the estimated sum. 0 plus 0 plus 0 0. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 2 9. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 3. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 3 how much? 10. Carry over 1. You should not get the carry over. You should not forget the carry over. 4 plus 1 it is 5. Is it correct? 0 0 0. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 2 9. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 3 10. Carry over 1. 4 plus 1 5. So it is 5090. ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋ ದಶಕ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಮರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 5090 it is the estimated sum. Have you understood? I'm going to solve second one. Same method. Second one it is difference. Okay. Second one is difference. Difference means we have to do subtraction. No need to write anything. Just listen to the class. Try to understand. Second one, 1,08,734. Second main B, 1,08,734 minus 47,599. Manas V. Pujari, Manas or Manasa it is. There are two Manasas, right? Manas Pujari, please unmute your mic. Manas V. Pujari, please unmute your mic. Not there? Yes, you can tell. Can you read this number?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, read this number.
1 lakh
Yes.
8,000 1,700 34.
Yes, good. 1,08,734 minus 47,599. Everybody should be able to read the given numbers. Okay. Next, first one is we have to round off to nearest hundreds. Okay, nearest to hundreds. Rounding off nearest to hundreds. Rounding off nearest to hundreds. Hundreds is 1,08,734. Nearest to 200. 100. Varsha Satish Hegde, please unmute your mic. Varsha Satish Hegde. Please unmute your mic. Am I audible? ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು?
Yes.
Varsha Hegde. 1,08,734. Nearest to 200. What is the number? So we can round off to dash.
ಮಾತಾಜಿ ನಂಗೇನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Mataji, ನಾನು
One second.
ಮಾತಾಜಿ ನಂಗೇನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay, Varsha Hegde, please mute your mic. Varsha Gajanan Bastikar. One more Varsha. Varsha. Yes. Nearest to 100 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತಮ್ಮ? 1 lakh. 8,000. 7,300. Tell once again. 700. Very good. 1,08,700. Those who can't see the board, I hope you have the textbook. Please open it. Exercise 1.3, second main B1. Okay. 1,08,734. Nearest to hundreds, it is 1,08,700. We have solved so many problems. Nearest to tens, nearest to hundreds, right? 1,08,700. So next one, 47,599. 47,599. Nearest to two hundreds. Kshitija, can you please tell nearest to two hundreds? Kshitija, unmute your mic. 47,599. Nearest to two hundreds.
ಮಾತಾಜಿ ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದಾ?
Wait. Kshitija, listen.
600.
47,600. Why it is 600, Kshitija? Why it is not 47,500? Why it is 47,600?
ಹೇಳು. ಹಾ
90.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳು, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹೇಳು. ಹಾ
9.
ಕನ್ನಡ.
ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದ್ರೆ 600 ಮತ್ತೆ 500 ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಇದು 599 600 ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ನಂಬರ್? Kshitija, tell once again.
600.
47,600. 599 600 ಗೆ ಹತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ, 500 ಕಿಂತನೂ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು 47,600 ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್, 47,600. Now we have to take the estimated difference. In the given question, they have given it is minus. So we are going to subtract these two numbers. Subtraction, it is 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 6, it is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. 0 minus 4, we can't do subtraction. 0 ಇಂದ 4 ಕಳೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So we'll take borrow. So it will become 10. 10 minus 4, it is 6. You gave borrow, so it will 1, it will become 0. That 0 you no need to write. So it is 61,100. The difference 61,100. The subtraction what we have done, is it correct? Can we check once again? 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 6 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. 0 minus 4, we cannot do subtraction. We will take borrow, it will become 10. 10 minus 4, it is 6. So you gave borrow, so 1, it will become 0. That 0 you no need to write. So it is 61,100 is the estimated difference. Now the problem is over. No, half part of the problem is over. Next one is rounding off nearest to tens ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. I hope you have understood this part. Next, I am going to round off the number. Rounding off to nearest tens. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ nearest to 100 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ nearest to tens ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Rounding off nearest to tens is nearest to tens is 1,08,734. Sumukha Balachandra Bhatt, please unmute your mic. Sumukha, can you round off this number nearest to tens? Only Sumukha should tell.
30.
ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು 10 ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಹಾ ಹೇಳು.
100.
100. How many hundreds? 100 ಬರಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. Can I write 100? ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ? 34 ಇದೆ. ಈ 34 ಹೇಳೋದು 30 ಮತ್ತೆ 40 ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. 30 ಮತ್ತೆ 40. ಈ 30 ಮತ್ತೆ 40 ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ 34 ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ? 30ಗೆ ಹತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. 40 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 30 ಹತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 1,08,700. ಈ 34 ಇರೋದು 30 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ನಂಬರ್? ಸುಮುಖ, ಸುಮುಖ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಾತಾಜಿ.
ಹೇಳು, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳು ನನಗೆ.
ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 30.
ಬರೀ 30 ಬರಿಲ್ಲ? 30 ಬರಿಲ್ಲ? No. Satvik Pujari, Satvik, please tell the number quickly. Satvik. Satvik, please unmute your mic.
Yes, Mataji.
Satvik.
Mataji, Satvik Pujari.
Satvik. Everybody should get chance. Satvik Pujari, can you please tell?
1,08,730.
730. Yes. 8,730. Please practice the problems. Okay. ತುಂಬಾ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹಂಡ್ರೆಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Please, it's humble request. Practice all the problems once again. If you have any doubts, we are coming to school on Friday, right? Those are coming to school on Friday. You can ask the doubts. Okay. Please practice the problems. Mathematics is a subject. It is not to read. You have to work out. Okay. 1,08,730. It is the estimated number nearest to tens. One more number we have, 47,599. Nearest to tens ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? 47,599. 99 ಹೇಳೋದು 100ಗೆ ಹತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ 90ಗೋ? 100ಗೆ ಹತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್?
ಮಾತಾಜಿ,
Yes.
ಮಾತಾಜಿ,
Page number 23, it seems. I don't have textbook. Exercise 1.3 nodamma, knowing our numbers. Exercise 1.3. I think page number 23, 22 it seems.
yes, Mataji.
Okay. Okay. 47,599. Anyone can tell? Nearest to 10 number ಹೇಳಿ ಬೇಗ.
ಮಾತಾಜಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಂತ?
47,599. Nearest to tens.
ಮಾತಾಜಿನ
ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ ಬೇಗ.
47,600.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. 47,600. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 99 100ಗೆ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ 100ಗೆ ನಿಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 500 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 100 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 600 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 47,599 nearest to tens is 47,600. They have given minus, so we have to subtract these two numbers. Minus, subtraction, 0 minus 0, 0, 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0 is how much? 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. 7 minus 6, 1. 8 minus 7, 1. 10 minus, 0 minus 4 is not possible. We will take borrow, it will become 10. 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. So, anybody can read this number? Is this visible? 61. $130. Okay, it is the estimated difference. Now, Third main, estimate the following using general rule. First one, 578 into 161. Here we have to use the general rule. Okay, now I am going to solve third main. Third main, first one it is 578 into 161. Third main, first one 578 into 161. In this main, what we have to do? We have to estimate using general rule. According to general rule, it states that we have to round off the given number to its greatest place. 578. Greatest place is unit place, tens place, hundreds place. So we have to round off nearest to 100. 578 nearest to 100 is 600. Do you agree with this? 578, it is above 550. It is close to 600 than to 500. So I have written 600. Next number is 161. 161, it lies between 100 and 200. Here we have to take nearest to 100 because here the greatest place is unit place, tens place, 100 place. So nearest to 100 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 161 it is
200.
close to 200. Very good. So we can write 200. Therefore, they have given into. It means we have to multiply. So multiply these two estimated numbers. 600 into 200. So here no need to do the multiplication steps. In one step we can write the answer. I will tell you the method. Everybody please listen to me. If there are numbers, if there are zeros continuously, see in 600 we have two zeros continuously and there is no another number further. Zero ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, continuously zero ಇದೆ and there is no number after zeros. So first we have to multiply only the numbers. 6 into 2, 6 2s are 12. Count the number of zeros in both the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros are there. So put 4 zeros directly. 4 zeros. 6 2s are 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros we can write in front of 12. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದೇ ಈ 0 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. If there are continuously zeros and there is no number further and there is no any other number in front of zeros, we can follow this method. We have to multiply the numbers first. 6 2s are 12 and write the numbers. Okay, how many numbers it is given? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many zeros are there? We have to write the zeros. So it is how to read this number. Already we have studied how to put the commas. 1,20,000. Is it 1,20,000?
Yes.
1,20,000. ನೀವು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಟೈಮ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಇದೆ ಆ ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್. Similarly, we can solve second one. Second one, 5,281 into 3,491. Can we solve second one? Or you can take it as a homework.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
You can take it as a homework.
Yes, Mataji.
Some of you are telling yes, some of you don't know. I will solve B1, okay? Third one, B. 5,281 into 3,491. Okay, we have to use the general rule. How to use the general rule? Here, find the greatest place. Unit place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So we have to round off nearest to thousands. Nearest to thousands, 5,281 is 5,000. Why it is 5,000? 5,281. It lies between 5,000 and 6,000 and it is very close to 5,000. So I have written 5,000. Next number is 3,491. According to general rule,
3,000.
yes, good. Already you are telling the answers. You are so excited to give the answers. It means I am happy that you have understood. 3,491, it is close to 300 than to 4,000. Close to 3,000 than to 4,000. So it is 3,000. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? 3,000 ಗೆ 4,000 ಗಿಂತನೂ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು 1,000 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಜನರಲ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಜನರಲ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಹಂಡ್ರೆಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಥೌಸಂಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. Greatest place is thousands place. So we are rounding off the numbers nearest to thousands. Have you understood? Now we have to multiply these two numbers. 5,000 into 3,000. So what is the product? I told you one line multiplication, right? If there are continuously zeros and there is no other number in front of zeros, we can do direct multiplication. 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write 6 zeros directly. 6 zeros. How to put comma? After 3 digits, 1 comma. After 2 digits, 1 more comma. After 2 digits. In Indian system of numeration. So how to read this number? Dhyan Hegde, please unmute your mic. Dhyan.
1 crore 50,000. 50 lakh. 1 crore 50 lakh.
Very good. 1 crore 50 lakh. Right answer, 1 crore 50 lakh. It is the estimated product. Okay. I hope you have understood what we have studied in today's class. What are all the problems I have not done in live class? Please try to take it as a homework problems. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you one and all.
ಮಾತಾಜಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
Yes. I will send the notes.
ಮಾತಾಜಿ ಪ್ರಾಯದ ತರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರಾ?